Let's see class 8 rational and irrational numbers chapter 1. I will start from some little bit basics. What are natural numbers, what are whole numbers, and what are integers. Let's get clear idea about these numbers. What are natural numbers? Numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. These are called natural numbers. What are whole numbers? Numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to infinity are called whole numbers. The difference between the natural numbers and whole number is just whole numbers include 0 and natural number doesn't include 0. What are integers? Integers include, suppose the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity, and from left side here -1, -2, -3, infinity. So these are called integers. Integers means positive as well as the negative as well as the 0. These are called integers. Let's see the definition of rational numbers. The numbers that can be represented as or that can be written as P upon Q as well as P and Q should be integers and where Q is not equal to 0. Let's see again the numbers that can be written in the form P by Q where P and Q should be integers, and third condition is where Q is not equal to 0. These are called as rational numbers. So let's see an example here. 5 by 3. So here numerator and denominator. So the numerator is integer, yes, and denominator is also an integer, yes. And denominator here is not an equal to 0. So yes, it is a rational number. Let's see how to show rational number on number line. Suppose I have drawn this here number line. I am explaining on board. So if you are writing on book, so you can use a scale. Let's see how to show rational number on number line. 7 by 3, 2 minus 2 by 3. From 0, right hand side there are positive and from left hand side there are negative numbers. As these denominators are 3, we have to divide the 1 unit from 0 to 1, as this is 1 unit, so we have to divide this unit into 3 parts. So I have put, this is the first, second and third. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 parts. So we have to divide the 1 unit from 0 to 1 into 3 parts. So as well as 1 to 2, 3 parts, 2 to 3, 3 parts, 3 to 4, 3 parts, and as well as from left hand side 0 to 1, 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 and -1 to 2, 3 parts, as well as it goes and continues. We have to divide in 3 parts according to the denominator. As the denominator is 3, so we have to divide it into 3 parts. Let's see how to show the numbers on number line. Here there is 2. Easily we can denote the point 2. So here it is 2. This is point 2. 7 by 3. 1, 2, sorry. After the 0, we have to count points. So 1 by 3, 2 by 3. How 1 by 3 came here? This is the first part of third. Second point is second part of third. Third point is 3 by 3 is equal to 1. This is the first point. So let's see 7 by 3. This is 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3. This is point 7 by 3. So we have to locate this here. And -2 by 3 come from now from left hand side. -2 by 3. So from 0 onwards, -1 by 3, -2 by 3, -3 by 3. This will be -3 upon 3 will be here 1, -1. So this is -1. minus 4 by 3, after then minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3, minus 6 by 3. We have to show here minus 2 by 3. So this is the point there, and this is minus point minus 2 by 3. This is the way to show rational numbers on number line.